Hey everyone, it's Angie, and I figured today I'll be making some gluten-free brownies because why not, right? We're all stuck at home and why not make some brownies? My sister is videotaping me, Josie, and this is our first video, I hope, so hopefully it goes well. All right, let's do this. So, as you guys may not know, but I'm using as my substitute for my flour. It's gonna be almond flour. I get this from Costco, and I also am gonna use almond milk from Costco. It's the organic unsweetened almond milk. It's vanilla flavored, very good. For putting smoothies in the morning, my coffee, I use this all the time as a substitute for dairy. Also, I'm gonna use some chocolate chips, of course, to make them extra chocolatey. And then I have some sugar, some sea salt, melted butter, and then my famous baking powder from Italy. You can get this from Amazon. And it smells like vanilla. It's really, really good. And then I have my Madagascar vanilla extract, egg, and got our chocolate cocoa powder, sorry. Tongue twister today. And then a few things that you need. You need a little sifter right here, helps get the clumps out of the almond flour, a rubber spatula, a whisk, and a grease pan. I figured we should do the heart pan since we need to spread some love through all this crazy times today. All right, let's get started, okay? So right here, I got a half cup of sugar. So, and I don't get the bleach or highly processed sugar. I get just regular pure cane sugar, which is better for your stomach to digest and your body to metabolize. Next, I'm gonna cream the butter, just 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, and the sugar. Get that all out of there, and I just warmed it up in the microwave for like 30 seconds. All right, and then we're gonna take the whisk. I'm gonna cream the sugar and the butter together. Next, we're gonna add our egg. This is a really simple recipe to make for kids. Also, like I said, if you're gluten-free, this is very good substitute for people that have an obsession with brownies and need that chocolate kick. So you see how I'm using the whisk, make sure it's nice and a lighter yellow. That's what you're looking for, just get that nice and creamed. And don't overmix. That's when everything seems to spread out and get really thin and crispy. If you like a crispy brownie, that's up to you, but I like them nice and fudgy. All right, and now we're gonna do the vanilla, which I love vanilla, so I go a little over the top with it because I just love it. So there is that. What's that in there? So nice. Just zoom in. Come in the bowl. Josie has never done this before, but she's doing a great job. Alrighty, now we're gonna add our almond milk. Just 1/4 cup of that. And I'm gonna link the recipe underneath the video. And so I'm gonna start out, well, I'm gonna do an 1/8 teaspoon of the salt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing the dry ingredients now. So what I'm going to do, put it through the sifter. I'm going to do the rest of this bag because this is all I had on hand. That's another reason why I chose to do gluten-free, because I had this in my pantry and I had to use it up. Now, next is gonna be our cocoa. I'm gonna add a tablespoon right now. So what I like to do is use a sifter so it gets all those clumps out, like I said, and it also combines them equally. All right, so now I'm gonna sift this through. Oops. Oh, those clumps. If you like more chocolate, add another tablespoon. I'm gonna add chocolate chips actually. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside. Now I'm gonna add my chocolate chips. I'm gonna fold in the dry into the wet. This is gonna get good zoom in on this. Now I'm gonna add my baking powder. Add about 1 teaspoon. I'm just going to use the rest of this. Alrighty. Now, that is it. Now you're just going to put it in a grease pan. I just greased it with butter. We're gonna pour it in. Alrighty. You know what? You always lick the bowl in my kitchen. I know we're trying to not spread germs, but can't resist. All right, really, really good. Now we're gonna put in a 350 degree oven for about 15-20 minutes until they're nice and fudgy. All right, I'll see you after. All right, so this is the end result. I just put it out of the oven, so it's cooling. I would say cool for about 5-10 minutes. And then if you like, put some chocolate icing on top. You can, you know, put some ice cream, whipped cream, have a little sundae, whatever you like. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And if you have any questions, just reach out. I'll see you later. Bye.